Ever wondered where the magic behind Oberlo happens? That amazing platform that's revolutionized dropshipping? Well, get ready to embark on a journey to uncover the mysterious location of Oberlo. Oberlo's impact. Oberlo has been a game-changer for countless entrepreneurs, providing a seamless way to source and sell products online. But where exactly is this powerhouse of dropshipping located? Let's dive into the details. The mystery surrounding Oberlo. Despite its widespread popularity, Oberlo has managed to maintain an air of mystery about its physical location. Many people have speculated about its whereabouts, ranging from bustling metropolises to hidden tech hubs. The search begins. Online investigations. Our quest for the truth began with a thorough online investigation. We scoured the internet, searching for clues, hints, and any information that might shed light on Oberlo's location. Dead ends and misinformation. Unfortunately, our initial search yielded many dead ends and misleading information. Some sources claimed Oberlo was based in Silicon Valley, while others suggested it was located in a remote part of Asia. The breakthrough, a hidden gem in Toronto. After months of searching, we finally stumbled upon a groundbreaking piece of information. It turned out that Oberlo is actually headquartered in Toronto, Canada. This vibrant city, known for its thriving tech scene, was the perfect home for such an innovative company. Exploring Oberlo's Toronto headquarters. A tour of the office. Imagine a modern, open-plan office filled with creative individuals working tirelessly to improve Oberlo's platform. This is what you'll find at the company's Toronto headquarters. The team behind Oberlo. Meet the talented team of developers, designers, and marketing professionals who make Oberlo possible. Learn about their passion for helping entrepreneurs succeed and their commitment to providing exceptional customer support. The Oberlo culture. Discover the unique culture that has made Oberlo such a special place to work. From team-building activities to a focus on work-life balance, Oberlo fosters a positive and supportive environment. The benefits of being based in Toronto. A thriving tech ecosystem. Toronto offers a thriving tech ecosystem, providing Oberlo with access to top talent and valuable partnerships. The city's reputation as a global innovation hub is a major draw for tech companies. A diverse and inclusive community. Toronto is a diverse and inclusive city, which is reflected in Oberlo's workforce. The company values diversity and believes that it is essential for driving innovation and creativity. The mystery solved. So there you have it. Oberlo is located in the heart of Toronto, Canada. This discovery not only satisfies our curiosity, but also sheds light on the factors that have contributed to Oberlo's success. A call to action. If you're an aspiring entrepreneur looking to start your own online store, Oberlo is the perfect platform to help you achieve your goals. Visit their website to learn more and start your dropshipping journey today. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.